Want to know how to clear search history on Threads? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to clear search history on Threads. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here you can see clear option at the right side of your screen. Tap on it. So this is how you can clear the search history on Threads. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.